competition tonight. All of them look so gorgeous, and I'm sure all of our supporters out there has your own bets already, right? Mag-ingay naman ang mga supporters natin dyan! Yes! And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, in a game of crowns, or any game for that matter, the mind is perhaps one's greatest weapon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our preliminary question and answer round. Mutya number 1 will pick a number, and that number corresponds to the picture that we'll be showing on screen. So Mutya number 1, please pick your picture. Picture number 6.
Of my supporters tonight, especially my family, my friends, my relatives, and also my classmates in Philippine Women's College of Davao. The picture shows woman who is pregnant. First of all, women are all strong and independent. I want us to be able to know what we want to do.
Please pick your picture. Shift pick picture number 4.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For me, the picture shows cancel culture. I do believe, for me, my own opinion, that cancel culture is like the same with discrimination and rejection. And I do believe in myself that it's always good for each and every one of us to show kindness, respect, humanity to each and every one of us.
Yung nasa picture, it's about coronavirus. Of course, ng pandemic, di ba, ano tayo? Diba, stay homes muna tayo sa ating mga bahay-bahay para tayo maging maligtas.
Ang dami mong mga supporters, batiin mo muna sila.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I feel so pleasure and overwhelmed to those people who came here just to support me. To my friends, to my classmates.
Number 7.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we see that picture shows us of having a trees of our society can cause uploading, and we should love our community, our society.
All right, and we only have one picture left.
SK Council are the ones to serve as a guide, as a bridge between the youth and the city government, ensuring that our needs, that our voice are heard and our needs are provided.
And that concludes our first round of the question and answer portion with our 9 lovely candidates. This is Mutya ng Dumoy 2023.
はい、もうね、これからね、どうしていいかよくわかんないですね。で、今回私一人で来てるんですけれども、洪水でね、帰ることもできないし、ここにしばらくいてね、雨が止むのを待ってると。 言うしかもうできることないですね。外洪水ですからちょっと出れないですね。はい、ちょっと困ったことになりました。はい、なんか後ろに手振ってる子いる帰る人いますね。とりあえずね、雨はやみました。はい、外はもう洪水の状態なんですね。そしてこちらの、ミスコンテストに参加している女性たち、椅子に座ってね、もう待ってるしかないわけですね。これからね、どうするんですかね。
Ladies and gentlemen, huwag na nating patagalin pa. This is Mutya ng Dumoy 2023 in their casual and long gown competition.
Thank you, ladies. You have just witnessed the long gun competition. Stay tuned for more. We'll be right back after the intermission number of the band. Over here at Mutya ng Dumoy 2023, the Grand Coronation Night.
Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we are so ready to announce the winners of our minor awards and special awards. Mutya number 9! Congratulations, Mutya number 9. Our Miss Photogenic is Mutya number 4. Who do you think will win for our best in long gown? Mutya number 9! From 9 beautiful candidates, it is my heavy heart to announce to you that right now we are so ready to announce our top 5 finalists. You are still in Mutya number 7. We still want to Mutya number 8. I think someone got it right. Mutya number 5. And to complete our top 5 finalists, Mutya number 9. And of course, to all our remaining ladies on stage, let's give a big round of applause for them. Ladies, still congratulations and thank you so much. There has been a lot of discussion recently about the gender pay gap. How do you think we can work to close this gap and ensure equal pay for equal work?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I do believe that each and every one of us has a different perspective. So for me, I do believe that the pay doesn't matter. Depend on the work or the effort that you give. It depends on what position that you have. It is about how passionate you are with the task that was given to you. It is very important for each and every one of us to put our heart into something that what we are doing. All over the people who experience the mental health. That will be all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Good evening once again. Gender pay gap is an issue that really boils down from gender inequality itself. Let us all work hand in hand to promote gender equality in our community. Thank you.
You can't mess with me if you wanted to. Left side and left. What's up? We not play too.
To give us the concluding message, please welcome the Barangay Captain of Barangay Dumoy.
Kusugay gulan, but anyway, daghang salamat sa inyong pagtampong. No? Basically, I'm here to thank all of you, especially ang atuang leadership sa atuang BSK. Very activistic. Palapakan na doon. Kuya G. M. Mandalupe, and the rest of...
Thank my friends sa Katalino Botanic, Mama Rita, and Papa Elias for their unwavering love and support. Their encouragement has given me the strength, encouraged me, and lifted me up when I needed it most. Had been with me through the long hours of rehearsals, the nerve-wracking interviews, and the sleepless nights of preparation.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, guys, to our top 5 finalists. 2023 fourth runner-up.
To present the award, Mr. Ryan Alejado.
Our fourth runner-up is Mutya number 8. Our third runner-up is Mutya number 5. Our second runner-up is Mutya number 7.
To present the award for the first runner-up, Miss Asia Mandalupe, SK Kagawan Charmaine Burgay, and SK Kagawan Brian Ramos. And for the Mutya ng Dumoy 2023,
Mutya number 9. And our first runner-up is Mutya number 2. Again, our first runner-up is Mutya number 2. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to Barangay Dumoy, to our SK councils and staff. Maraming salamat po.
We're running out of time.
外は水浸しです。それでもね、自転車で来たので、自転車に乗って帰ろうと思います。最後までご視聴ありがとうございました。もう12時ですよ。12時。